This video is for educational purposes, do not use for illegal purposes.
First, I connected the ESP8266 to my laptop. Then I connected to its Wi-Fi network. The browser opened automatically with the control panel. I selected my Wi-Fi from the list and started the Deauthher attack. Now watch this. I tried connecting to Wi-Fi from my phone, but it kept failing to connect. Then I stopped the attack, and boom, my phone connected instantly. This shows how the ESP device can block devices from connecting to Wi-Fi using deauthentication packets. Once again, this video is only for educational and ethical hacking purposes. The purchase link is in the description, and if you want a full setup tutorial, just comment below and I'll make one.